Hello everyone. Our team, Vanquishers, aims to provide a secure and convenient platform for all forms of digital transactions. So, before going further, I would like to thank Bharat Bill Pay, which provided us this wonderful opportunity to present before you a solution which can help you guys to like extend Bharat Bill Pay to such an extent it's more useful to users like us. So as we know, majority of the bill payments that happen either is done by standing in line for bill payments and visiting multiple buyers website, which is like inconvenient. And in this modern one, we want like everything to be digitalized and done with minimum efforts. So we aim to provide a solution to enable the BBPS platform to extend the billers collection points for easy customer payment or new innovation to leverage the touch points for easy conversation. So we will have a look at the proposed solution. So the proposed solution has the features of automation of multiple bills. Like the user can select onto the multiple bills at a single platform, like the electricity bill, the gas bill, and he can automate the bills for a certain period of time. The period should be 30 to 60 days. Accordingly, the required amount will be debited from the added banks. Like the users can also add their banks in the information of the bank, and then the bill will be fetched from the APIs provided by BBPS. But currently what we are doing is we are like putting into some random values and we are storing into the database because we don't have access to such APIs, and then so all this creates a hassle-free user experience. So and then the user can also find a touch point near him. The touch point needs to be a logged in user, and what the user can do is if suppose I want to find a touch point near me, all I will do is go into the site, then search for then I can search for the touch point as according to his address or the city or the zip code, and then the results will be shown. And then after clicking showing the results, there will be a certain link where he can click to join some chat room, so that he and the touch point can have a conversation regarding how they will connect and how the whole procedure will be done. Now let me elaborate on how the automation of bills is done. So first, before automating, the user needs to add banks from which the money will be debited. Then he has to select certain bills which he wishes to automate. Currently what we were doing is we are showing values between 10 to 5,000. Then after we have access to BBPS APIs, we will fetch the data from there. Then the user needs to set an interval between 30 to 60 days, after which the value will change. It implies that we were just accessing the data that we were provided from the API, but for now, as for the prototype version, we're just storing some random values in the database, so the amounts get debited from the user's account, and then the user can become a touch point, can find touch point near him, and the chat application that I spoke about earlier. The chat application is a real-time chatting app. We are not storing the data in the chat information in some database because we don't want to increase the load on the server of BBPS. We just want the features to be implemented, and then this as a whole will increase the number of touch points there near needy people, so that they don't have to stand in long queues. For the technologies we are using, We were using Node.js for our REST API because it's light and scalable. We were using MongoDB to store like data. It is of no SQL nature. And then for front end, we were using HTML and embedded JavaScript templates, and also CSS for stylings. So how this as a whole will improve our, like, have an impact on our society, how it will like create certain changes in our living. So it will actually provide a faster payment option for the user, like everything in one portal. So it will make the whole process a bit easier and convenient for people like us. Then the number of touch points around the users would increase because more and more people will be interested, because why not? Everyone wants to earn with the minimum efforts. Then multiple bills are paid at the same time, because we were like automating the bills, and we will also have a track of like what bills we want to pay after how much amount of time. Then the government will duly get the bills paid by the user. Then it's beneficial for people with no UPI and digital payment knowledge, because all they need to do is find touchpoint near them to pay their bills. And then the earning opportunity of those people, as I just spoke about. And then as a whole, a one-stop solution to automate all your bills after a certain interval of time between 30 to 60 days is really helpful. So ending our presentation with the conclusion, like the current solution can be transformed into hardware part. Like we can come into, we can implement this on the BBPS website for sure, so as to benefit the, most of the people. Like it will, I guess it will be a really a good option for BBPS to expand. Then time and effort of digital customers will also be saved. Then the Touchpoint feature will further reduce the time of rural customers, so they don't need to go on some density places and stand in queues, because there will be a lot of people who will be like willing to become Touchpoint and get some earnings. And the finally the real-time chat application that we provided will not only like enhance the communication between the user and the Touchpoint, but also they can provide the location so that the process becomes. So as a whole, the whole process will be really beneficial for users. So that's how I conclude. Thank you. Hello everyone, I debited along with my team Vanquishers has proposed a solution to the mentioned problem statement. It has certain features like we can add banks, we can automate our bills, we can become a touchpoint, we can find touchpoints near us. So let us see the whole implementation. So starting with the sign up, you need to enter here a valid email address, a name and Aadhaar card, and give a strong password. Once you register yourself, you will be given an you will be sent an email where you have to click to like confirm that you are like user. So now log in, okay, with the credentials. Once you have logged in, you can add banks, you can become a touchpoint and find touchpoint near us, and you can also automate bills. So let us start by adding bank, because that is from where like the money will be reduced. So once you add in the bank, it will be showed here along with the balance. For now we are showing some random values because get the balance from the bank API or certain like data that's provided to us. So now you can click on the automate to automate your bills. You can like click here and say the interval for which you need to like you want to automate the bills. Like after that, the money will be deduced from the accounts you just put in. So let us mention here 35. It needs to be a certain value between 30 and 60 because that's the way to go. Yes, you can also stop automating your bills. For now, we are just rendering some random values. Like we want to get these values from the government APIs. So now you can now let us see the feature of the touch point that we provided. You can click here and you can be a touch point to pay some other guy's bill. So you need to mention here the details. And once you send in here, the data will be stored at the database. Now let us log in through some other account and let us see how we can find touchpoint near us. So first we will find by address. Like let's find out if there is something present in Bhaskar Nagar. As you can see here, like a touch point is already available in like the address Bhaskar Nagar. So you can start a chat with him. I actually added this touch point earlier so as to make this video will be sent to the touch point and he will be requested to join a chat room. We are redirected to some chat room, which like the touch point can also join if he wishes to. See, an email has been sent to the touch point. Actually, this is my another account of email 404 forces. So here you can click to join the chat room. As you can see here, now 2 users I have joined now, so they can the touch point. If he sends a message, hi, I am the touch point, send me your location, and then you can see here 404 forces has joined using his email and he has sent these messages, and you can send your location or carry on the conversation to so that you two guys meet and he can pay your bills, and you can use the features of automating your bills and do things that are with all the features of our sites. So this was all that we wanted to show. Thank you. Hope you liked our project. Thank you.